In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Hix AI subscription. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to hix.ai/home, which is going to be your default dashboard over here. And then to actually cancel your subscription, you want to go ahead, hover over your profile icon in the top right, and click on Account. Now, after you do this, in here, I currently, of course, don't have a plan. As you can see, I am only able to upgrade. But if you do have a plan in here somewhere, when you scroll down, you should be able to see manage your subscription or plan or something like that. And then in there, you should be able to cancel your subscription. If it's not showing for you and you are actively paying for a subscription, either go down to the bottom of the website and then you can email them at support@hix.ai, or just hover over support over here. The email will show up. You can just copy it and then send them an email, let them know you would like to cancel your subscription and that you cannot find it inside the settings, and politely ask them whether they can help you with it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.